Hi, I'm Becky. Welcome to Learning Chinese, 学中文. Accents go along with pinyin, and they are what we use in everyday life, and especially when we learn to type on the computer. They are important, and that's why this lesson is on accents. Today, we're going to work with some accents. You might have noticed before that when we gave you the Chinese alphabet, pinyin, that there were some dashes or lines on top of some of the letters. Those dashes and lines were actually the Chinese accents. There are only 4, but they all have different pronunciations, and depending on which one you use will give you different meanings. For example, the first one we saw a second ago was a horizontal bar, and you pronounce it with a kind of long, even tone. So we're going to use Y and I for an example. You would say yi, yi, and yi in Chinese is 1. The second one is like a dash. It tilts up towards the top right. And you say it like you're going to ask a question. So you say yi, yi, and yi in Chinese is aunt. Yi. And the third one was like a little V shape on top of the I. So it looks like it sounds. You bring it down and then bring it back up. Yi. Yi. In Chinese, yi is already. And the fourth and last one is a slash, but it goes towards the bottom right. So you have yi. You kind of say it sharply. Yi. Yi in Chinese is 10 million. So these 4 accents give you 4 very different words. And if you use the wrong pronunciation, you could be saying something that you definitely don't mean. So make sure that you distinguish them. You have yi, 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 yi. Now, you might be wondering, well, when do you use them and how do you use them? In Chinese, the accents only go on the vowels. We have a, o, a, i, u, yu. In English, we say the vowels in this order: a, e, I, o, u. And that's just how we say it. Well, in Chinese, this is the order. And you have to know the order in order to know which vowel to put the accent on. The rule is that in a word, you put the accent on the vowel that comes first in this list. A, o, a, i, u, yu. For example, we have the word xiao, 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 which is small. And you look at this and you say, whoa, there's 3 vowels, so which one do I put it on? We have I, A, and O. Let's go back to our list. I, A, and O. Which one's first in the list? A. So you put the accent on the A. There's only ever 1 accent per word. So, accent on A, third accent, xiao, up and down, xiao. And then we have da, which is big. In da, you have a consonant and a vowel. You never put the accent on the consonant, and since there's only 1 vowel, that's an easy one. You just put it on the A. D, a, da. And it's the 4th one, so make it sharp. Da. Third, you have shui, shu, u, yi, shui, for water. 2 vowels. Which one to put it on? Well, you look back at, other way. You look back at your list, and I and you. I comes before you, so the accent goes on I. 水, third accent, so down and up. 水, 小 for small, 大 for big, and 水 for water. So let's do a quick summary of what we've learned. 4 accents in total. The first one is a horizontal bar. Make it nice and even. We're going to use my previous example of Y and I. Yi. The second one, bring it up a bit like a question mark. Yi. Third one, down and up. Yi. And the fourth one, yi. Yi, 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 yi. Accents only go on vowels, and it's whichever vowel comes first in that list that we went over. So if you have multiple vowels, just remember that you need to know the list. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you next time.